This is a dataset used by Stata, the statistics software. It's not a text file. You need Stata or a specialized reader to make sense of the rows and columns. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful DTA inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. The foundational design of DTA positions it within the data file area. The files organization is managed by the chain engineering database system. The DTA file is a generic data file used by various applications. For chain engineering, it typically contains proprietary measurement results, simulation outputs, or structured technical data. Its purpose is acting as a specialized container for raw analysis information. Developed by iWes for chain engineering, the design rules are wholly specific to the application that created it. The structure is non-standardized. This lack of standardization means external tools cannot reliably read its content without knowing the exact internal layout defined by the technical software. The native handling utility for DTA files is chain engineering by iWes. The simple text-based structure is handled poorly by standard Windows applications. Windows does not process proprietary data structures, so dedicated applications must read them. Let's see which program can read this specific version. Right-click the DTA file and hit Open with. Test chain engineering first. If it's not present, choose a different app. That often leads to the fix. If the DTA file is still giving you trouble, relax. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, use a text editor. Open the file using a text editor, Notepad, or spreadsheet program, Excel, to inspect the data structure, e.g. delimited fixed width, and identify the creator. Next, use the original application. Determine the application, e.g. SAS, Stata, or SPSS, and open the file from within that software, using the specific import function if necessary. Finally, use Import Wizard. Use Excel's data from text CSV Import Wizard to correctly define the delimiter, encoding, and column breaks. If the file is still not working, that's definitive proof it requires a tool built on proprietary file logic. This is the time to try the Universal Viewer. For speed and reliability, FileMagick excels. Its ability to ignore file extension errors and instantly show you the DTA content is a massive time saver. Visit FileMagick.com to download now. Don't be a stranger, come back for the next one. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.